How to make a Gamepass and please donate. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to make a Gamepass and please donate. Let's start this by going to your Roblox homepage. What you need to do is to go to the Create tab, which you can access by clicking the Create button at the top. Next, click the Creator tab in the upper left corner. In here, click the Creations option on the left. Now you should see here all the game experiences that you have. Note that every Roblox account have a default place, so you have at least one game in here. Next, select any game that you have right now and click it. And then on the left, you should see here different options like Configure, Analytics, Monetization, and etc. Under the Monetization option, click Passes. Then next, you should see the Create a Pass button. Click on that one. Now here, simply enter the name that you want to show in your Gamepass. For example, let's put this, please donate a Gamepass for me. As for the description, let's simply put, in need, please donate. Next thing to do is to change the image to whatever image you want. Click the Change button, then select the image that you want. You can go over to Google and search for the specific image if you have, and then you can save it to your computer. After that, click the Create Pass below. Now for the next step, once again, click the pass that you have created. Then in here, you need to click on the Sales option on the left side. Then in this tab, toggle on the button beside the item for sale. Then below it, set the price to the value that you want. For example, let's set the price to 800. After that, click the Save Changes below. As for the last step, you need to make sure that your game is on public so it will work. Go back and click on the game experience. Then go over to the Configure section. Then click Settings. Under Privacy, make sure that you select the public and save the changes. And there you go. Once you relaunch the game, then the Gamepass should be there. Then the other players can donate to you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.